So this is example 38.22. Here I have written directly what is given in the problem. Okay. So प्रॉब्लेम फक्त रीड करा. प्रॉब्लेम नंबर दिलेला आहे तो तुमच्या नोटबुकमध्ये रीड करून लिहून घ्या. त्याच्यावरून हे मी गिव्हन्स लिहिलेत. राईट. सो व्ही एल सप्लाय व्होल्टेज दिले. इट इज फ्रॉम द if I read the problem, consider a 33,000 volt delta connected synchronous motor having a synchronous reactance per phase of 18 ohm and it operates at a leading power factor 0.707 when drawing 800 kilowatt from the mains. So I have mentioned line voltage, it is given and it is delta connected motor. There also synchronous reactance is given here. It is in the ohm, that is 18 ohm. Then power factor is about 0.707. Then input power, that is the power drawn from the main, it is nothing but input power. It is given in 800 kilowatt. I have to convert that into watt. Okay. Then from that they said calculate its excitation EMF and rotor angle. We can say it is a delta, right? And here excitation EMF calculate म्हणजे काय तर back EMF, that is EB. Then rotor angle is nothing but it is alpha. So we have to calculate these two terms. First we will try to calculate the EB. For EB we require काय गरज आहे. EB साठी आपल्याला थीटा, फाय, नंतर तुम्हाला IA, ZS. So before moving to the IAZS, armature current, so solution now. So we know the equation of power, root 3 VL IA cos phi, right? Cos phi value is given, IA value is not given, VL value also given, power is given. How much power? It is 8,000. Please calculate yourself so that answer will be exactly right. कारण बुकमधला आन्सर काही वेळेला चुकू शकतं. आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फ्रॉम द बुक्स ओनली बिकॉज आय डोंट हॅव नाव कॅल्सी हिअर. सो 8,000 इज इक्वल्स टू रूट 3. व्ही एलची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? इट इज 33,000. देन आय ए कॉस फाय व्हॅल्यू इज गिवन हिअर, पॉवर फॅक्टर 0.707. So if I solve this equation, I will get the answer of IA, armature current. From the book I am writing the answer. It will be 198 ampere. So IA is line current, right? It is a line current actually. So what about phase current? Because in case of delta the phase current and line current is different. So my IA in phase, it will be 198 divided by root 3. Right? So the armature current value becomes in phase, it is 114.3 ampere. Okay. Then from that I have ZS value. ZS is how much? Because there is only synchronous reactance is present. Armature resistance is negligible. So ZS is 18 ohm. From that IAZS I can calculate. How much of IA? It is 114.3. Always IA takes phase value into ZS. It is 18. So I will get the value of IAZS. It's nothing but voltage drop, right? So voltage drop is always represented in volt. So it becomes 2058 volt. This is my value of IAZS, right? Next phi, we know the cos phi. Cos phi किती होता? It is 0.707. This is my cos phi value. From that I can calculate the phi value. Phi कसा येईल? Cos inverse of that 0.707. How much it is? It will be 45 degree. It will be 45 degree. And theta is here 90 degree. As we know, synchronous reactance only present 18 ohm. So theta will be here 90 degree only. Then From that I can calculate cos of theta plus phi, because it is required in the next equation. You know the equation काय आहे, cos 135 टोटल ॲडिशन करायची. ठीक, या ठिकाणी काय आहे, पॉवर फॅक्टर लिडिंग असल्यामुळे ॲडिशन केलेली आहे. दॅट्स इट. cos 135 म्हणजेच काय असतं, cos 45 degree as well you can write, and the answer will be minus 0.707. This is value of cos theta plus phi. Cos 135 is equals to, it is nothing but minus cos 45, and त्याचा आन्सर जर का कॅल्सीमधून कॅल्क्युलेट केलं तर यू गेट minus 0.707. So now we know the equation. What is the equation? If I draw the vector diagram for this, right? So this is my voltage. We know the voltage, how much it is, 330,000 volt, because it is same. Then this is my this is my back EMF. So I want to calculate this one, back EMF. In armature current not shown, it is leading actually, right? So I will show armature current here. This is my ER. ER म्हणजेच काय असते म्हणून सांगितलं, IAZS, remember. Okay, that value comes from the problem. It is about 2058 volt. So now we want to calculate EB, right? So if we consider this is BOA, we previously also we considered these notations. So BOA, this is my 90 degree, right? हा 90 degree, हा माझा 45 degree calculate केला. Okay. So from this vector diagram you can see similar, same formula. आठवते का? EB square, this side कशी काढणार? This one square plus this one minus 2 into this one into cos of काय असेल ते 135. So how much it is? V किती आहे? 33,000 square plus this one how much? ER म्हणजेच काय? 2058 square minus 2 into हे दोन्ही 3300 into 2058 into cos, sorry इथं लिहिते मी, into cos of how much it is? Cos किती आलेला आपला? Direct value I can put because I have calculated it minus into आहे actually minus 707. So this is my answer. इथं multiply आहे, फक्त value minus काय होईल? Plus होईल. So if I write this again, plus म्हणजे तुम्हाला क्लिअर होईल काय म्हणायचं आहे. मायनस काय होईल? प्लस. सो 2 into 3300 into 2000. नाहीतर मुलं काय करतात, डायरेक्ट सबस्ट्रॅक्ट करून टाकतात. इट इज रॉंग, कारण मल्टिप्लिकेशनमध्ये आहे ते. सो नाव वी कॅन कॅल्क्युलेट द EB व्हॅल्यू. use your calci and always write in the two-digit equation or answer. So it will be from book, it is 4973 volt. So we have get the value of EB. Now we will move for the rotor angle, that is alpha. As this is a triangle, if I consider the triangle OAB, आठवते हे मागच्या वेळेला पण असंच कन्सिडर करत होतो, साइन अल्फा मागचा प्रॉब्लेम जो आहे तसंच आहे. सो फ्रॉम दॅट ट्रायंगल OAB we can write 2058. Remember this one, 2058. Okay, this one 2058 divided by काय असेल, sin alpha, because we want to calculate this angle, right? Alpha is equals to what? 4973 divided by this one, divided by this angle. How much it is? Sin 135. This is the standard formula. So from that we can calculate the value of alpha. It becomes 17 degree. ओके, हे सॉल्व करायचं. साइन अल्फा इकडे घ्यायचं, बाकीचे टर्म इकडे घेऊन सॉल्व करून टाक. सो वी विल गेट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ ई बी ॲज वेल ॲज अल्फा. So this is the solution of this problem. Okay.